Hi, welcome to Soul of Art and Craft. I'm Sri, your artist. Today I'm gonna draw a very simple mandala art for beginners on a black paper. Although you can do the same design on white paper with black pen or fine liners. I'm gonna use here Sakura white jelly rolls. It comes with set of 3 white pen with different size 10, 8 and 5, whereas number 10 creates thicker line and 5 creates very fine or thin lines. These are the materials. You can purchase them from local stationery shop individually, but I started my mandala journey with my own geometry box. But the only problem I faced that time is with compass, because all the compass are not for pen or fine liners. So I purchased it separately. This is how you can find the center. To draw the grid lines, you can use any pencil, but for your better understanding, I am using white charcoal pencil. I have taken here 1-inch radius and will draw a flower kind of structure. Please watch it carefully. And if you have any queries, please ask me in the comment section. And friends, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload any updates, you will get the notification first. Now focus the process. It is easier to move or rotate your paper or sketchbook rather than rotating your compass. I was not getting a better angle to capture that. That's why I'm doing like this. Actually, doing art in front of camera is really not easy. But anyway, I can do that for you. And here I will show you the pattern first, then we'll draw the full mandala. And all the products I have used here are listed in the description. Now I am doing the same with number 10 white pen. Actually, this structure has a deep inner meaning in sacred geometry. It is called Seed of Life, which consists of 7 overlapping circles with the same diameter, which means creation. And if you are interested to know more about this symbol, I have put a link in the description. You can read from there. Here I have taken radius of little bit lesser than 1 inch and used number 8 white pen. If you find it difficult, you can do it without compass also. Then I have taken radius of little bit more than 1 inch and finished the inner border. Now I am making the patterns one by one. Please watch it carefully. I am using here Brustro Black 200 GSM sketchbook. I would like to recommend that try to use at least 100 GSM paper for mandala if you want to be a mandala art professionals. But you can use any paper if you are a beginner. Means if you are someone who wants to start or just started drawing mandala, because practice is the key. The more you practice, the more accurate and symmetric pattern you can able to draw. This is the final look. If you like my video, please hit the like button. This will really motivate me to create more such creative video for you.